Tired of getting lost with outdated maps? I'm going to show you how to supercharge your Garmin GPS with custom maps from Basecamp. First, ensure your Garmin GPS device is connected to your computer via a USB cable. Open Garmin Basecamp. It's free to download from Garmin's website. If you don't already have it, locate the map you want to export. This could be a pre-existing Garmin map or one you've created using Basecamp's tools. Make sure the map data you want to transfer is visible and selected in the Basecamp library. Right-click on the selected map or list containing your desired map data from the context menu. Choose Send to. A Send to dialog box will appear, listing all connected Garmin devices. Select your GPS device from the list. Click the Send button to initiate the transfer process. A progress bar will appear, indicating the status of the data transfer. Wait for the transfer to complete. The time it takes will depend on the size of the map and the speed of your connection. Once the transfer is complete, Basecamp will display a confirmation message. Safely disconnect your Garmin GPS device from your computer. Power on your Garmin GPS and navigate to the map settings. You should now see the newly transferred map available for use. Now you are ready for your next adventure.